Oh boy, here we go with the new project. Hey everybody, this is Altimeter here with Kai Talks About, and I'm actually going to be working on a new project termed AURA, and that stands for the Automated Unmanned Reconnaissance Airplane. So the idea of this is to have a fully automated plane that works just based upon coding. So there will be no controls, no joysticks, no nothing. I program it, I start it up, and then it just flies itself. So I'm going to go ahead and take this apart because this project is actually in its initial phase. So I don't have any of the things made for it except for these servo horns that you see here, and of course the servos themselves. So these are going to be the winglets that stabilize it. Here is actually the motor mount for it that I ordered. I should be getting it Thursday. And of course here is here's the inside of it where I'm going to put all the items. So I'm really excited to get started on this. This actually started from a video that I saw quite a while ago, a couple years ago, in which this guy had FPV drone, or first person view drone, and he flew it and it looked really nice. So I thought, what would be better than having a drone that you control from long range? How about having a drone that's controlled long range on its own? So of course there's extensive testing that needs to be done and a lot of programming that needs to be done. I spent the past 4 hours setting up the program for this in the Arduino IDE, and I'm still not done. I still have a lot more that I need to do. So what do I need it to do? What do I need AURA to do? Well, I need it to have GPS, so it knows where it's located. I need to set up a program so that when I put in several target locations, it knows how to navigate to each location and what to do once it reaches that location. I need an altimeter that tells it how high or low it is relative to the elevation, so wherever you live, the elevation. And I also need it to know its orientation, meaning its axis. So I'm going to have a gyroscope that can tell if it's turning left, turning right, up, down, all those directions, and be able to do certain tasks depending on if it's going too far left, right, up, or down. So this is going to be a big project for me. I'll actually be posting another video sometime in the next 2 weeks or so that will show my progress from, having the servos connected, how to program it, the altimeter, the gyroscope, all the functions that I just talked to you guys about. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe. And also I have an Instagram as well as a Facebook page. Both are called Kite Talks About. So if you could please like, share, subscribe, follow me on all those social media accounts. I will see you guys in the next video. So have a blessed weekend and goodbye.